I do this in read aloud? No, you cannot do that. You have to do this. Really? Will this work in this xyz.com? Hey, it will not work here, but it is working here. I think you can do this. My friend did this. He got a very good score, but other friend also did. He did not get this. What to do? Read aloud is a big, well, if you belong to this category where you're completely confused, what works in read aloud, then I believe this video is for you. I'm going to explain end-to-end strategies that work and that don't work in 2023. Stay tuned till the end. Hey everybody, Nakul here from Skills PTE Academic. I really hope everybody is doing fantastic. Well, today I'm back with yet another video where I'm talking about read aloud. Oh, it's a very debatable topic. Everyone has a different view. A lot of people have problems here. And by the way, read aloud contributes 35 marks towards your reading and 35 marks towards your speaking. So that makes this module the most important module. And the best part is it's a very simple module, and the worst part is people make it look like it's so difficult. So today we are here understanding what matters in read aloud, what work in 2023, and what tips doesn't work in 2023. Let's start with it. Let me just share my screen. So 35 marks goes to reading, 35 marks goes to listening, 6 to 7 questions come. I don't get details into how it looks like and all. I hope you know that. Let's quickly get to the actual topic. Before that, okay, sorry, I've got this slide. Something like this will come where you have to just take your time. Some 30-35 seconds will be given. After that, you have to speak. Beep, one sound will come, and after that beep sound, you start speaking. Once you finish, click the next button immediately. Something like this, a small paragraph will be there, easy peasy paragraph. Let's get into the real thing. Tips that actually don't work, boss. Trust me, I'm telling you the truth. And I always tell the truth. Trust me on this. Speak fast. You get good marks. Speak fast, you get speaking 90, reading gone case. Trust me on this. Something like tigers eat a variety of prey ranging in size from termites to elephant calves. However, an integral component of their don't do. I'm telling you. What if I start speaking like this? Will you be able to understand whatever I'm speaking? You will definitely answer my knowledge. Isn't it so? That is what is happening to the software. It will not understand, boss. Then why are you speaking like that? Because your friend spoke fast and got 90. Unfriend that guy until you get your scores. I'm telling you, I'm giving you very healthy advice. Okay? Speak with intonation. Because on the Pearson website, they've told you have to give intonations. What intonation they meant and what intonation you understood it as. It's completely two different poles. One is east, one is west. What they meant was something different from what you understood. Something like phonetics. That's a different big branch of the pronunciation. According to that, there are different things about intonation. What people misunderstand it as something like this. Tigers eat a variety of prey ranging in size from, you can dance for that song. Computer will not dance. What it does, it will give you 0. Don't speak with intonation. This tip will not work. Speaking slow so that the software will clearly understand. What if I start speaking like this? Will you be able to really appreciate whatever I talk? No, right? You will definitely unsubscribe to my channel. The same way, if you speak, tigers eat a variety of prey ranging in size from termites to elephant calves. You get 0. Before we get into the next set of parts, I'll tell you a small story, very inspirational story about my journey. First attempt, speaking 53. My friend Rahul, speaking 90. We both were in the same hostel, I believe. He got 90, I got 53, and my writing listening was 85, 88, and his writing listening 45, 50. I had this ego problem that I have a good English. This guy seems to be not, but his speaking is 90. I don't. I should have probably went and asked him. If I had asked him, he would have told. Second attempt, I would have got 90. I would have settled in Australia. Done and dusted. I would not be a part of Skills PTE Academy, but that didn't happen. What exactly happened? I did not ask him. He also had a problem. He also did not ask me how to improve writing score. I did not ask him how to improve speaking score. So we went on, prepared again, same way. Second attempt, my speaking went down to 48. 48 or 49, I don't remember exactly, 6 years back. He's speaking again 90, he again got the writing, reading, same score, listening, 45, 50. Then before giving third attempt, I left my ego apart and went, hey Rahul, boss, actually, you know what? I will help you in writing, you help me in speaking. He told, speaking is very easy. You tell me how you are speaking. He told me, and I said, tigers eat a variety of prey ranging in size from termites to elephant calves. I am speaking like this, I said with full of pride. And he told me, why are you doing this?
ऐसे ही सेक्सी लग रहा था.
I said, I have to impress the software, boss. Software is Australian software, no? I have to impress it, American software, no? And I have to make it more understandable. So I am speaking like this. And then I asked him, how were you speaking? Rahul said, very simple. Tigers eat a variety of prey ranging in size from termites to elephant calf. Then I understood what was the mistake. I was trying to impress the software. He was trying to impress himself. He was trying to speak naturally. Hope you are getting it. It's not speaking fast, slow, intonation, it's about speaking naturally the way I'm talking to you right now. I'm talking to you right now. Am I speaking fast? No, then don't do the first one. Am I speaking with intonation? No, then don't do the second one. Speak slow. Am I speaking really slow? Don't do it again. It's irritates me, correct? Software will also tell the same thing. It irritates me if you speak slow. Then don't speak slow. Speak with stresses. Tigers eat a variety of prey ranging in size. What if I speak like this? Then again you don't like it. Software will not like it. So don't speak with stresses. Speaking just one line, 6 to 8 words. Okay, some are saying this works. Actually this works, but what I am telling you is you will resort to doing this 6-8 words and click next only if you have a problem in read aloud. Yes or no? Yes or no? If you don't have a problem in read aloud, perhaps you will read full. You're resorting to 6 to 8 words because you have a problem in the read aloud. That means 6 to 8 words also you will read. Tigers eat a variety of prey ranging in size from termites to elephant calves, and say, oh, I spoke 8 words. 0 you get because you made 3 to 4 mistakes. 6 to 8 words will work when you speak perfectly. But if you can speak perfectly 6 to 8 words, rest of it also you will speak perfectly. You speak full. But if you want to speak only 6 to 8, then you have to speak perfectly, which people may not. So my suggestion is at least, okay, we will talk about tips that work, but speak just to 6 to 8 words. Avoid only because if you make mistakes, gone case. Let's quickly jump to the tips that actually work. Go to any extent to maintain the fluency. Fluency is to speak naturally. That rhythmic speed. Go to any extent. Means difficult words, you skip. There is some word that I don't know how to pronounce. Skip or pronounce it the way you want it. But I want that rhythmic speed, the fluency speed. The first thing is skip difficult words. You can go to any extent to skip. Will this take away some marks to my reading? Or definitely. So it will give more. Trust me on this. You can skip the difficult words. For example, I don't know this word. I don't know this word. I don't know this word. Let's write in red. I don't know this word. And let's say I don't know this word. How to speak? Tigers eat a variety of prey ranging in size from termites to elephant. However, an integral component of that diet are large-bodied prey about 20 kg or larger, such as moose, deer species, pigs, cows, horses, buffaloes and goats. Occasionally, they may consume elephant and rhinoceros calves, bear species, leopards and... Well, does it really work? Yeah, you can go to any extent, but if fluency is wrong, gone case, it will not work. Do not stress the words. This tip actually works. Tigers eat a variety, not work. Don't give any intonation. Tigers eat a variety. You are not supposed to give whatever the tips that don't work. I told, do the opposite of it. Don't rush. Tigers eat. I'm telling you, you'll straight away get 0. You have to speak in a way that a normal person would understand, boss. And don't give unwanted pauses. What is unwanted pauses? Tigers eat a variety of prey ranging in size from termites to elephant calves. Don't do this. All those things. Be natural and speak at least 2 lines and not just 1 if you have a problem. That means if you have this much of content, probably you can read till here. Tigers eat a variety of prey ranging in size from termites to elephant calves. However, an integral component of that diet are large-bodied prey weighing about 20 kg or 45 pounds. At least till there you read. You can skip the words that you find it difficult, but you have to read at least 2 lines, if not full, but I suggest you read full because this is a very simple module, but focus on the tips that don't work and focus on the tips that work. Well, that's it from this video. I really hope you have enjoyed watching this, and do leave a comment if you have any doubts or share it with your friends so that someone might use this to the fullest. Any point of time you need online assistance, you can text us in the WhatsApp. We will be happy to assist you. It's an online paid course. Any point of time you can join Wherever you are from, you are in Cambodia, you are in London, America, Australia, you can join us. We have students from all over the world, and importantly, most of them are getting a very good score. So don't delay your success. Any point of time, you can text us and subscribe to this channel. If not, subscribe. And thanks much for watching this video. Really happy that I made this video and that has helped a lot of people here. With this, I'll park it here. This is Nakul signing off from Skills PT Academic. Very soon we'll be back. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.